Are you trying to enhance intellectual ability? Are you eager to improve your sensibility? Are you having slow progress on learning? Test your will, limits, and stamina. Wisdom Ball helps to enhance concentration. It is also a hand-brain rehabilitation device that improves attention.
Preteen education is known to be crucial for developing intellectual ability. Wisdom Ball can be used as a tool for teaching mathematics.
Wisdom Ball comes in 3 models: inspiration, breakthrough, and intelligence. Each has a unique pattern. The 6 boards on the sphere can be number or color coordinated. The intriguing game trains not only hand, but also stimulates brain activities. Help players overcome their fear of mathematics via fun games that further enhance intellectual and emotional quotient.
Wisdom Ball, a mathematical puzzle game with infinite solutions fit for all ages and highly compelling. Fun as Rubik's Cube, proven to be effective for stabilizing irrational emotions. Stimulates teens' potential as inventors by encouraging out-of-the-box thinking. It relieves work stress and further improves work performance. It also helps to prevent dementia in the elderly via fun games that train concentration.
巧智拼球，它是一个易经数学球。从易经里面，我们研究出数学的兴趣，让小孩子以后不怕数学。
Proven effective by professionals and doctors who praise its brain stimulation features.
Mathematics is the foundation of science. Science is conceived from mathematical theories. A quick and easy way to improve minors' intelligence quotient and emotional quotient.
Award-winning design Wisdom Ball, a worldwide phenomenon. Get one for yourself today.